Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold this origami saxophone. This is quite different from the models that I usually teach, and I'm really happy with it. So with that being said, here's how to fold it. Alright, so for a model about this size, I'm going to use a 6-inch square. This model is easy medium level complexity, but it can get a little bit hard at times.
Alright, so let's turn over, let's go right side up, and let's valley fold diagonally in half. Alright, now let's unfold, and let's valley fold to the center line. Alright, now let's rotate and repeat. Alright, now we're going to focus on this part. So we're going to bring this point up to this point, but we're only going to make a pinch mark. Just in the center right there, like that, and then let's unfold. And then let's fold up to the pinch mark, and this time we're going all the way across. Now let's rotate and repeat. Alright, now let's turn this way, and let's valley fold this point up to this point right here. Unfold, and let's valley fold this point to this point. And let's unfold, and then let's make a valley fold aligning the two creases that we just made. Like that. And then let's unfold. Alright, now let's rotate this way, and we're going to turn these valley folds into mountain folds, so let's just reverse them. Alright, and then now let's pleat a little bit so that this edge comes up to this one, but we're just going to pinch just in the center right here. And let's unfold, and then let's pleat so that it aligns with the pinch mark that we just made. And then do the same here. So bring this up, just make a pinch in the middle, and then unfold, and then you want to pleat so that it lines up with the pinch. Like that. Alright, now we're going to make the buttons of the xylophone, or the stops, I don't know what they're called. So we're going to open this up just a little bit, and then squash just like that. And you don't want it to go up to this crease right here. Alright, and then do the same on this side, and just try your best to match it up with the left one. Alright, and that is going to be the button. And then we'll do the same right here. So bring this up, and then squash. And again, you don't want it to go all the way to the edge. And then do the same on this side. Alright, now if we turn this way, when we zoom out, the model should look like this. Alright, now the model is going to get a little bit tricky, but I'll try to explain it as best as I can. Alright, so let's valley fold the whole model in half. And then you want to make a valley fold bringing this point up to this point. Alright, like that. And then let's unfold, and then let's reverse fold this inside. Alright, and then now we want to make a fold starting from this point. And what you want to do with this fold is, first off, it's going to go past this point right here, so it's going to go about right here. But you want this right here to be a right angle. Alright, so it should look like that. And then now let's unfold. Alright, now this is a pretty tricky part, but anyways, let's open this up, and then you want to fold on these creases, and then you want to make a mountain fold here, and here. And then you want to sort of do like a sync. So bring these 4 mountains together and then make a valley fold in the middle, sort of just syncing it. So when you open it, the model should look like that, just kind of like a triangle in the middle, and then you push it inside and then collapse the model on the existing creases. And then if this bit is sticking out a little bit, we can open up the model and then just tweak a little bit. We can make this fold straight instead of curved. And then let's collapse it back. And then now you can see the bottom is completely flat. So the model should look like that. Alright, now we're going to work on this end of the saxophone, so let's zoom in. And you want to fold this edge up to this edge right here. Like that, and then let's turn over and do the same thing, valley fold edge to edge. Alright, like that. And then you want to valley fold this down. And then you want to valley fold this out. How much you want it to fold so that this point is roughly over here. Like that. Then let's unfold both of those. And let's open this up. And we're just going to mount and fold on this crease all the way to the point. And then let's mount and fold on this crease as well. Like that. And then we're going to outside reverse fold this flap. So let's open it up and then just mount and fold on this existing crease. And close the model back up. Like that. Alright, and now we're going to valley fold down so that the edges align. You want this edge to align with this edge, like that. And then do the same on this side. This is easier because you can just align it with the front one. Then unfold those, and then you just want to mount and fold both of them inside on the creases that we just made. Alright, now we're going to finish up the model here. So let's just mount and fold this bit behind, aligning it with this edge. Like that. And then turn over and let's do the same thing. Alright, and then now the last step is just we're going to reverse fold this on this point. Just a little bit. There's no reference for this bit. Alright, and then now I guess we can curve this out. This is a lot easier with tissue foil if you have it, like the gold one in the intro. So yeah, if you're using that, I would recommend curving it like this. But it works pretty well with this paper. Alright, and we're done. Alright, I hope you enjoyed folding that, and in the meantime, have fun folding.